Alam ko, gutom ka eh. Pagbalot kita ng pagkain. Sa'yo na to. Kung sabihin kay boss, ha? Kay senpai. Uy, kainin yung pagkain mo, sir. Sir? Sir? Okay. Jess the Legend, hello. Hello, sausage. Good evening. Sorry. Ala, hindi pa tapos? Hindi pa. Hindi pa siya nakakatakot. Not even once I got scared. Wala pala. Parang ano lang siya. Ang bait mo. Eh, nagugutom yung tao eh. Salamat sa like. Jess. Eh, nakita kayo? Parang mas matanda ata si Huwag mo sasabihin yung edad ko ha. Dapat each jump scare mag-split ka. Loko, di ko kaya mag-split eh. Even if I try. May pumutok. What was it? Ay, nasira yung ano. Ilaw? Oh, it's snowing. Oh. Na-miss ko hindi pa nag-snow. Okay, shoot. Okay, malinis ba? Di natakot pero may sigaw ka sa akin. I don't believe na record mo yun. Di ko na sabihin na halata na loko! Send mo maya sa Discord. Well, impending doom meaning yan. You think? Okay, wait. So, tables. 1. I go here first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, pwede ako nakatingin dito. This way, if galing siya rito, I can wait here, then run circles, yan. Then run. Then get my key. Pero pag galing siya rito, if galing siya rito, then I can run here, wait, and then run. Okay. Cool. Okay, kaya. Should be easy. Kahit di na record, nakikita naman sa Twitch. Oh, snap. Uncle, sa labas yung habulan. You sure, daga? Are you for real? Is this real, chat? Kanina na-picturean niya ako ron. Picturean niya ako dito. Maybe somewhere around here. Dito siya, oh. Picture sa akin. Need to check. Checking parameters. Okay. Parameters clear, sir. No suspicious person. Okay. Time to clean. Dahil walang pambayad ng upa. Oh, I can close this. Okay. Yep. Close. Yep. Then. Nope. No need to. Mabilis sila eh. They can open that eh. Me, I'll have trouble. May time limit yan. Wait. Yes, master. Saan na yung kalbo? Umalis na. Fun fact, it's only scary because there's no music. Kirin, I'm gonna trust you, ha? I'm gonna trust you. If you say it like that, ha? So, that's the only scary part. Bakit ko nga pala sabihin age mo? Di ko naman alam, okay? Don't say my age. Magulat sila sa age ko, no? They don't even know my age, eh. Oh, baby, come on. Oh, wait. Justin Bieber ba? Is that Justin Bieber? No! Shoot. Wait. Na-close ko yung chat sa Twitch. My bad. Okay. Pero alam ko kung ano to, pero di exactly. Twin tape ka lang, di ba? Secret, Christopher. I'm not gonna say, hit me baby one more time. My loneliness is killing me. Oh shit, ba't nyo kinakanta mo Just Legend? Mag-isa lang ako. No! I'm not alone. Usually yung pang-apat hindi natin tapos to eh. Mga horror games. Usually. No. Ito muna. So I have time to, I have space. Mali, dapat pala. Okay. Kalahati pa lang pala ako. Kalahati saan? Kalahati where? What do you mean? Ako nga no, hindi na maandar yung number. 50 na siya. Sino nasa higaan? Wala na kasama sa higaan. What do you mean? Tanggalin ko na nga to. Donut. Uy, gusto kong kanta yan. Kidding. Loko, 8:40 na. I haven't even played, Wild Rift yet. Shh. Okay. Naririnig niyo pa yung game, di ba? You can still hear the game. Tapusin. Yeah, I know. Hop. Haha! Ikaw, diyan ka? Tara, suntukin kita eh. Sumpo. Ay, si Kalbo. Yeah. Kawawa naman. You okay, bro? You good? What? Nope. Nope. Hindi. Wala. Shit. Loko. What do you mean cook? Napitan mo door? Anong door? Hallucination lang ng character mo yan. Di ba nga? Kasi yung driver kanina ay yung si Senpai. Nung sumakay ako, wala. Yung kinlos mo kanina. Pagkalbo mo sa... Oy, loko! Gragas! Raulo ka talaga. What is this? The day we first met, yes, at Chila's, she smiled at me like a flower. Just thinking about her makes my heart pound. Doki doki. I have never felt this way before. I wonder if she is putting a smile on everyone's face like she does mine. Doki doki. Ba't nag-alis salamin para di masyado kita? No. Pagod yung mata ko sa salamin. A poetry. What a fine gentleman. See? Mabait naman yung tao eh. It is a peaceful night. Wait nga. Yep, I still play Tetris. What happened? Am I dead? May nag-doorbell. May nag-doorbell. Check mo yung CR. Di mo ata nalinisan. Hindi. Ang dami mo na pala followers. Hindi ah. Well, yeah. I'm happy sa followers ko. Pero, I'm happy sa mga nakakwentong ko rito. Hala ka, uncle, mag-isa mo rin sa apartment. Oh, yeah, mag-isa. Oo. Well, actually, andito yung pamangkin ko. Yeah. Taga. Parcel mo lang yan. You think? Dati ako first follower mo. No, hindi mo ako finalo. You're not my first follower. Binunlock mo nga ako eh. Shoot. Oh, okay, parcel nga. Creepy text. I know her best. Maybe after your mother and father, I'll really be number one in time. She talked to me, she picked up my phone, and went out of her way to give it to me. Ito yung lalaki sa baba. I know she felt the same way I did. We are in love. Today is our anniversary. So 1 year na nakalipas? It's the same guy. Nung first day ko sa work, na na-late ako. Marco, are we crazier than this guy? No, we're not crazy, Eunice. What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm not crazy. Are you crazy? No. Right? Are you crazy? No. See? Even this guy is not crazy. What do you mean? Ako crazy tumakas sa ugali sa mental hospital. Ay, loko. He is not crazy. Yeah, I'm not. Oh. And then, I'll just wait. Wait lang ah. Takot ako. Nilagay niya yung sulat sa may pintuan. Natatakot akong lumabas. I'm scared. Me, I'm crazy. Act like an angel, dressed like crazy. Stream, are you alive? You remember, I was singing that song. And I'm saying, me, I'm crazy. Act like a ninja. Dressed like crazy. Alam ko kasi, it's ninja. It's angel pala. Misheard lyrics. I'm so stupid. Wait, what do I do with this? Should I go out? A poetry for it. Naalala mo pa. Ang sweet niya, no? He remembered our anniversary. Okay. Mukhang wala na mangyari dito. I think I need to go out na. Yep. Oh, it's snowing. Why am I looking down? Tin, 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 tin. Shoot. No, nasira yung ano ko. I shot, I see you, clear your mind. Hindi ko alam yan. Fun fact yan. Nakikinig siya kay Pop. Favorite niya twice. And it's, oy! Hindi ako nakikinig nun. Speedrun ba yan? No, kasi yung crazy guy naglagay na sulat sa pinto eh. The car won't start. I have to take the bus. Shoot. Ito yung sinasabi ni Grippy na takbuhan. Saan ka na? Ting, tiring, ting. Tiring, ting, ting, ting. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung bus at after that, nag-scout muna ako eh. I should have scouted this. Up and down, left and right, left and right. Bawal kasi bumalik eh. Ting, tiring, ting. Wait. Audio ko, hinaan ko lang ng konti. May sumigaw eh. No. Oh, shit. Scout. Scout the place. Sidestepping move. See? SWAT team. Where's SWAT? SWAT people. Ting, 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 SWAT. Is this? Yeah. Wait for the bus? Later. Nope. I'm just gonna run. Like, no need to go any farther. Okay. But dito yung bus. Saan dadaan yung bus? Glad to hear you're good. I'm good myself. Are you halfway in the game? Yeah, I'm on the bus right now. I just cleaned the thing. I think this is my third. No. It's my anniversary with the stalker. Okay. Okay. Natalisod! Mumuhindray. I'm sorry, Lo, if I'm speaking in Tagalog and then switching on English. What are you looking at? Huh? You think I'm pretty, no? Oh boy. Is it my drop? Oh boy. Hoy. Tara dito. Visit ka. Dapat pala hindi ko na inabot yung cellphone sa kanya. Lesson in life. Pag mo iabot yung cellphone, pa-unlock mo, benta mo nga, gamitin mo. Factory reset mo. Mamaya pwede pang wild rift yun. So, para social media. Okay lang yan. Okay lang na matay. Visit yun naalala. Cherry Mobile. Natapos ako may marigo lahat. Di pa tapos. Loko! Put my stuff away. Talk to them. Senpai! Ishimasu. Senpai! Senpai! What? Senpai? Senpai, where are you? Asa Senpai? 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 Wala si Senpai? Senpai? What? Wala si Senpai! Bro, sabi mo, Wilder ta, Q3rd! I am! But, nag-English ako. Nakita ko tong game na to eh. Nirequest to nila nila Zikaria, nila Daga. Ganda, horror game. Pero wala pang horror eh. Sige. Kaya di pa ako natakot eh. Asa si Senpai? Daga, Zikaria, bakit siya nagtutuloy? Wala kami sinasabi. Bakit siya nagtuloy-tuloy? Yeah. I'm gonna play Wild Rift nga. Kaso, mamaya kasi, pag kinuwit ko to, hindi ko masisave. May save ba to? Does this have a save option? I wanna finish this eh. Tapusin ko na to. Wala si Senpai. Wild Rift na tayo. Mamaya. Actually, I can't. Di na ataabot eh. Because I still have to stream sa sa Tetris eh. Iyak kami ni Zakaria. Kamusta, Q3rd? Kamusta ang gabi? Kanina, naglaro kayo nila AJQT Check mo yung pinto sa storage room. It doesn't work eh. Hindi nagbubukas Senpai? Louis, do you know? No, Louis is not here. Sana skincare mo. Wait. Teka lang. Tapos ikaw lang to. Q3rd. Tapos pakita ko sa'yo. Andun eh. Naka-prepare pa eh. Ay, naka-ano eh. Nasa CR eh. Pero bihira ko lang siya ginagamit, yung skincare ko. Lasing ka kapod oh. Arigato si... Wala si Senpai. What? Senpai? Wala. Lagyan mo muna sa lakad gamit mo para yeah. It is part ng quest na yun. Puti ka. Pasok. Uy, ano yun? May phone. Okay. Senpai. Shift ko na. Senpai, dito ka ba? You here? Senpai? Ay, tumatagos ako. Chat, I'm not real. I'm not real, chat. Ayop, sabi ko na chat. Wala. Si Gragas, dinutulungan ako eh. Kasi si Kirin, ewan ko, dinutulungan ako Kirin. Pero wala si, Senpai. What? Baka nandito, Senpai. What happened kung nothing in between? Check mo yung trash bin sa labas. Okay. Sa roll ka pa, every turn mo, i-check mo kung may jumpscare. Oy, hindi! Hindi ko check yung jumpscare. Dito, may gagawa na ulit ako. Theory, what if? Kaya wala si Senpai dyan kasi guni-guni mo lang siya. Nga, what if? Baka I'm not real. Kasi tumatagos ako sa car, Senpai? Ito ka na rapat, Senpai. Just kidding, Senpai. Wala. Check mo CR. Oh, yeah. At sa basura na may nahanap. Basura yung bunganga niya eh. Sabi niya, di ako maganda eh. Puti ka, Senpai. Nagawa mo dyan, ha? Ikaw, ha? Ikaw pa yung nagulat? You naughty boy. You scared the shit out of me. Leave me alone when I'm in the restroom. You naughty, ha? You're thinking of me, ha? God damn it. Get to work. Okay. Saan na siya? Senpai, huwag ka na magalit. Senpai. Boom. Shoot. Umorder ka ba? Umorder ka na? Si weirdo to. Leave me alone pala. Hayaan mo na yan. What in the Senpai? Uy. Lapitan mo, Uncle. Tangkad, no? That's creepy as hell. Ang tangkad niya. Nabut. Oo nga. In love to sa akin eh. Nakita ko yung message mo, Uncle. I need to serve the customer. Kailangan ko na serve yung customer. Hello. Ano gusto mo? Ibang ka ng sa akin. Di pa sweldo eh, pero kukupit kita. Na ayaw. Kapit di lumabas. Kay Soto, hindi ko maalala yung tsura nun. Di ba basketball player yun, kay MLM Happiness. What do you mean MLM? Kiss daw kayo, Uncle. Wala siyang order. Wala, wala man na siya in order. Hoy, may ordering ka ba? Oh, ito pala. Sorry. Drive-thru. Hello, irashaimase. Caramel macchiato. American Scope. Okay, dalawang caramel macchiato. Coffee, steam milk, caramel syrup. No, coffee, steam milk. Caramel syrup, caramel sauce. Okay. Coffee, steam milk. Okay, dalawang coffee. Coffee, steam milk. I am speed. caramel, ano yan? Caramel syrup, caramel sauce. Caramel syrup, caramel sauce. It's one. Oh, mali. Talinuna ko to. Caramel syrup, caramel sauce. Okay. Jabit. Grabe nga. Jabit. Grabe nga. No, wala. No. No. Grabe. What happened? No, what happened? Shoot. Okay. Am I back? Am I back? Diyan nata ako eh. Wait, double check. I'm checking. Oh my God. Wala pa rin? Ayun, andyan ako. Ba't ganito TikTok Live Studio? Okay, andito pa rin ako. Okay. I'm here. I'm here. Do not worry. I'm here. Hi. Moshi. Boy. May customer pa ba? Ay, ito. Sorry. Hello. Yoko. I'd like a green tea latte and one of those waffles. Kaputa? One green tea latte and a waffle. Yes, the green tea latte and waffle here are delicious. I always go for these two. Glad you like them. No, thank you for serving them. My son likes them too. Are you alone? I'll give you this if you like. This rosary bracelet is said to ward off evil. You should keep it. I bought it from a infomercial on TV. They said some amazing things about it. Utu-utu ka. Animal. Can you believe it? For only 9,900 yen. Puti ka. Halos, ano to? 5,000? Or 4,000? Utu-utu ka. Oh, it's fine. I own a lot of them anyways. In this day and age, it's so convenient to buy things through the cell phone. Utu-utu ang putik. Join the dark side. Ito ba't parang di ka naliligo? Hoy! Huwag niyong ayain yung pamangkin ko yan. Inaaya niyong maging katulad ng mga asara. Cutie pie naman ng lola na yan. Nauuto nga siya eh. There are only a few presses of buttons away. O parang Shopee. Okay, kunin ko to. Sabi mo ah. Sana pansasakal ko to kay Stalker Boy. American Waffle Green Tea Latte. Green Tea Latte. How do I cook na green tea? Green tea latte. Vanilla syrup, steamed milk, matcha powder. Vanilla syrup, steamed milk, matcha powder. Okay. So, it's hot. Vanilla, steamed milk. American waffle. Ano yan? Matcha powder. Hindi ko man lang ginamit ibang powder. Ha? Tatlo lang. Okay. Dito ako natakpan. Putik. What? Green tea latte. Green tea latte. Ay, vanilla syrup. I'm an idiot. Sorry, I'm sorry. Redo ko yung order mo. I'm sorry. Please, huwag mo subong. Vanilla syrup. Vanilla syrup pala. Vanilla syrup. Shit. Dalawa pa ang steam milk. Mabilis lang yan. Ito na po. Ito pa. Salamat sa bracelet, pero may bayad pa rin yung kape Di porke nagbigay ka. Salamat! Arigatou sa one of the OGs? Wait, may mas OG pa ba ron? Kay Hatsune Miku? I'm offline on Twitch. That's sad. Bilis mag-drive niya ate Kasi mag-ready na ako ng steam milk. Bad practice. Hello. Sister, aren't you a cute one? Are you by any chance a model or something? Wow! Idol she's an idol. No, nothing in particular. Akala ba sabi nila pangit ako? What a waste. I'm sorry, but you should definitely make use of the style you got. I mean, you want me to introduce you to my office? Give me your number. Sorry, I'm not sure about that kind of thing. I see. I don't care if you regret it. I'll have a salted caramel mocha, please. Okay. Okay. Salted caramel mocha. What do you need? Coffee, steam milk, caramel. Okay. Yun muna. Isa lang. Coffee, steam milk, caramel syrup, hazelnut, chocolate sauce. Okay. Ang dami Coffee, steam milk, caramel syrup, hazelnut syrup, chocolate sauce. That's it? Okay. What? Coffee, steam milk, caramel syrup, hazelnut syrup, chocolate sauce. Caramel sauce! I'm an idiot. Balik ako pag malapit na yung habulan. No. Yeah. You take care. Shower muna ako. Your shower is like 2 minutes Mali, nag-prepare pa naman ako. Diyos ko po. I'm an idiot. Okay, ulit. Coffee, steam milk. Ano yung order niya? Salted caramel mocha. Caramel syrup, hazelnut syrup, chocolate sauce. Caramel, hazelnut. Caramel, hazelnut, tapos chocolate sauce. Chocolate sauce pinindot pa. Okay, this should do it. Ito na po. Malis na siya. Okay. May ginagawa na isa. Salamat sa like, Kirin. Thank you. Irashaimase. Uy, nag-squat. Nakaubad ka ba? Puti ka. What? What the fuck? What? What? What is this? What is this? Ako lang galing Adonis. Hindi pa. Hindi pa nag-wear off no? Oh, nakita may moves siya. God damn. God damn. Sorry sa language. Nangangaroling. Imagine mo no, nangangaroling ka na ganyan Pasko. Paluin ka ng... Hoy, bibili ka ba o hindi? Paluin kita ng yelo. Asa na? Excuse me, sir. Could you please put on some clothes and not make a scene? Yun pala eh. Pwede pala kausapan eh. Hey, come on. I won't be here for long. Wouldn't be a disaster if a customer catches cold. No, it would not. So legally, that's out of the question. Okay. Yeah. Okay lang yung ganyang weirdo kesa yung isa. Girl, you know a lot about laws and stuff, but I'm a guy, right? So if it's just the top, shouldn't it be fine? Are you serious right now? Should I call the police? Ano yung Penal Code 174? What does it mean? Penal Code 174. Penal Code, falsification of medical certificate. Iba sa Japan siguro. Article 174. Okay. Wild Rift naman sana. Hindi ko pa tapos eh. Hindi ako makapag-save eh. I don't think I can play today, Q3. Maybe tomorrow, let's laro. Ano sabi ko kapon, pero anong oras na kasi? First choice, bibili pero bayad yung performance. He's summoning. Wala na pang bayad to. Wild Rift ka, Q3 You okay? Okay, ito na lang. A person who commits an indecent act in public shall be punished by imprisonment with work for not more than 6 months or a fine of not more than 300,000 yen or by detention or a fine. In this case, even if it does not constitute public indecency, it is an extremely insane act that is out of the ordinary to be naked at such a time of the year, isn't it? In that case, drug use is also suspected, right? I'm going home. Gusto ko sana magstay siya rito eh. Pabili daw ginili. Hindi ka na. Gusto ko sana magstay siya eh. Mas weird. Okay lang ganyang weirdo eh. Kasi di nanakit eh. Isa, nakakatakot. Nananakit eh. Paroy ko ng yelo sana eh. Oh, toilet. Mas magaling pa sa dito kumilit. Hindi nga ako marunong sumayo eh. Hindi mo ako mapagiling. Take out the trash. Unahin ko muna yung CR. Hina ko yung volume. Sorry. Baka sumigaw eh. Kasi dumiretso sa CR. Wala naman dito. Dumiretso sa CR. Hayaan mo na. Let's see. Anong maganda rito? CR muna o tapang basura? Kirin, ano yung path na mas safer sa akin? Tapang basura o ano? CR din basura. It's safer, no? Umalis dyan. Okay. Salamat, Giragas. Fun fact, mahilig si Tito sa... Yak. Ay, hindi, I'm not saying yak Hindi ko siya trip. Loko. Visit kasi yung stalker na yun. Ba't may stalker? Ba't kailangan magka-stalker? CR and basura ang riskier choice. Diamond na? Nice! Congrats, Daps! Jonay ng Pinas. Buti na. Ba't tatlo yung basura ko? Pero sabi 4. 1, 2, 3. Kasi isa. Para isahan na lang. Okay, kailangan ko scout yung perimeter para alam ko kung nasan siya. Buhat ko, 3 basura oh. My God. What a beast. Isem pa yung isa. Loko, seryo. Loko. Gragas. Solo yan. Kurt? Solo yung ano mo. Yun, nice. Hindi mo ko inintay matapos to, ha? Gusto mo na maglaro agad, ha? Ayaw mo mahirapan. Asa na kayo animal na yun? Mamaya kasi bigla nasa likod ko, eh. Scouting perimeter. Yep. It's cool. Wow, hindi na Oh, natuto ko. I learned. But you see, I learned. Asan yung isang basura? Help! Help! Anong scouting the perimeter? May teleport ng mga characters. Still, you have to do your due diligence, di ba? Hindi ka papasa as a squad member, Kirin. Kailangan, regardless ng enemy. Wala nga akong wala akong reflection. Who is that girl I see? Standing straight, boys, dadan ako dito. Why? 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 Change account na ako, tas bili. Loko ka kasi. Hindi. Isa pang basura. Shoot. Dito? Fuck. Din toilet and take out the trash. Ano ko tong toilet paper? Oh, snap. Tanga. Maglalagay pala ako ng toilet paper. Dito ang galing ni Tina magluto. Merong eggshell yung noodles na kakain. Shoot, may nag-alarm. Okay. Okay. Fuck! 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 No! How about the minion need to serve customer?